Forest Healing Festival is for anybody that's wanting to experience connection to themselves and to nature and also to community.
I think what's unique about it is that there is a focus on the natural land and the natural landscape, and particularly the beautiful native New Zealand bush.
I got involved with Earth Village a few years ago when I joined the Body and Brain movement, which actually transformed my life. This festival is about creating time for yourself, to recover love within yourself. You can try every modality in the world, but the ultimate healer is yourself.
It's time to recover your true self. Who are you? Through the music, through the dance, through the meditation, we can connect.
The focus will be people returning to experience and enjoy nature, to let their bodies and brains soak up that nature, to renew their confidence in their own bodies and brains, and be supported by some internationally well-recognised people who understand the process.
Simple thing like the air. I felt it pounding on me all day, and I haven't felt that feeling in a long, long time.
Everybody getting tired. They don't have energy. They don't know how to love themselves. But through the connect to true love, you can feel love. So you don't need love from other people. When you feel love, you can share your love to people. We're talking about connections, uncovering everything for your true self.
The area for the festival, it's just such a beautiful native New Zealand bush setting. Every time that you attend one of these sessions, you learn more about yourself.